Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to brush the hair of Sam. Ginagawa mo yan. Tago ikaw. Shih Tzu are cute, adorable, funny, and playful. It is easy to get Shih Tzu, but it is not easy to take care of. You need to have more time. Example, when brushing. It is needed to brush their hair regularly to avoid tangle. Just like this. I am very careful when brushing to avoid hurting him. When there are tangles in his hair, I hold the tip and brush slowly. If it's really tangled, I gently tug it out. Yes, yung gugupitin na lang para hindi sila masaktan. It's also important to brush underside of their hair. Yung buhok na pinakamalapit sa balat. Huwag puro sa taas lang. Pag nagsuklay na sa taas, okay na. Hindi ganun. To ensure true grooming, as the tangles often form there. So having a Shih Tzu requires time and dedication. For grooming, bathing, brushing, or even taking them to the groomer. It's important to be there to provide the care they need. If you want to have a Shih Tzu, make sure to have a time to take care of them. Hindi dahil na-cutean lang, dahil cute lang, naaaliw, hindi ganun. Pagka ayaw na, pabayaan na lang. Or have someone reliable to look after them when needed. It's important to ensure they receive the care and attention they deserve. Hello, I'm Sam. Am I Pogi? We're almost done. Sit. I give him reward, of course, because he's very good. Sit. He's now a handsome boy. Good boy na, pogi pa. Ang cute pa. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Ang pogi talaga. Good boy.